Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the middle of July, so the half of the year is already over, but this is my first video of this year. Yeah, so in this video I will try to show you a tutorial of this scrunchies and try to chit chat a bit. Okay, so yeah, this is a square scrunchie. It's quite unique and I love this color because the harvest months are coming and I love these types of colors. It will give you handkerchief vibes, a little flowy vibes, I think. Okay, this stand I get it from Temu. It's a scrunchie stand and my plan is to fill this up till the last of this year. Yeah, so I have some scrunchies already here, like this is my square scrunchie that I show you today, and it is the classic ruffle stitch scrunchie. This is a sunflower scrunchie and a daisy scrunchie, and last two of both of our ruffle scrunchies. Yes, so yeah, let's get back to the video. Here I use this leftover yarns. It is very thin like yarn, and I will get a rubber band, small rubber band. I get it from Temu again. It's not that bad, it's just a thin rubber band. Okay. And I will use 3mm hook, though the yarn recommended me to use 2mm hook, but I will go with a 3mm hook. Okay, at first make a slip knot and attach this with your rubber band tie or whatever you have with a slip stitch, and then chain 1 and chain 2 not 1, and this is not count as a stitch, and then we will do 12 DC. Okay, 1 2, like this. We have to do 12 DC here. Now we will do 4 chain, which is a corner, and we will again do 4 double crochet here. We have to make a square, so we need 4 chain space 4 times. Okay, like we have to do 12 DC 4 times. I already have done 1 time, and this is the second time, and then after this 12 DC we will do chain 4 and then 12 DC again, and then chain 4. Yeah, so I will show you. We are at the end of the 12 double crochet, and now we are doing 4 chain and then again 12 double crochet. Okay, we have to repeat 2 more time. This is the double crochet part. You must have to have 12 double crochet, and then 4 chains, and then 12 double crochet and 4 chains, and then we will join. I will show you. Here we can see the corners. 2 corners are already done, so 4 chains. Now we have to do 12 double crochet, 4 chain and slip stitch. We are at the end of the first row. Now we will do chain 4 and then slip stitch at the first DC. Okay, our first row is completed, and now we will do first sorry, chain 1, which does not count as a stitch, and at the same space we will do a double crochet and another double crochet at the same space. So this is 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now chain 2, skip 4 stitches. On the 5th stitch we will do 2 double crochet, and at the next stitch we will do another 2 double crochet. It looks like this, and then we will do 2 chain and skip all the 4 stitches, and at the last stitch we will do 2 double crochet. Now we are at the corner and we will do 2 double crochet and then chain 4 and then 2 double crochet. In every corner we will do 2 double crochet, chain 4, 2 double crochet. Okay, and again we will repeat this. At the first stage we will do 2 double crochet, that's increase, chain 2, skip 4 stitches. On the 5th stitch we will do 2 double crochet, and on the next stitch we will do again 2 double crochet, and then chain 2 and repeat. At the last stitch we will do 2 double crochet, at the corner we will do 2 double crochet, 4 chain, 2 double crochet. Yeah, that's what I am repeating now. I hope you get this pattern. It's easy, right? If you take a little thick yarn, then it will be a little bigger than mine, but yeah, or if you want you can increase the rows if you want a little more bigger than mine. So yeah, 2 chain and then skip 4. On the 5th stitch you will do 2 double crochet. On the next stitch you will do 2 double crochet again, at the last stitch we will do 2 double crochet, and in the corner we will do 2 DC, 4 chain, 2 DC. So this is how it looks like, and we will complete it with the same pattern, chain 4 and then 2 DC, 2 DC at the first stitch, and then 2 chain, skip 4, on the 5th stitch 2 DC, next stitch 2 DC, and then chain 2 and repeat this thing. Chain 2, last stitch 2 DC, and we are at the corner now. We will do 2 DC, chain 4 and 2 DC. Okay, now we will slip stitch at our first DC. And then we will slip a stitch at the next two stitch, and we will come to the 2 chain gap. Here we will do first 3 chain, that doesn't count as a stitch, and then 2 DC, yeah, and then chain 2, and then skip 1 stitch, and at the second stitch make a DC, and the third stitch make a DC, chain 2, skip last DC and go to the chain 2 space, and here we will crochet 2 DC, chain 2, and then skip 1 chain, we will go to the last and we will do 2 DC. Now we are at the corner and we will do 2 DC, 4th chain, 2 DC. Now at the first stage we will do 2 DC, chain 2, we will go to the 2 chain gap and here we will crochet 2 DC, chain 2, and then skip 1 stitch and next stitch double crochet, next stitch double crochet, chain 2, 2 chain gap, double crochet, chain 2, at the last stitch we will do 2 DC. That is the pattern. I will show you one more time. At the corner we will do 2 DC, 4 chain, 2 DC, and then first stage we will do 2 DC, 2 chain, 2 DC at the 2 chain space, and then chain 2 and skip 1 stitch. At the next stitch we will do 1 DC and next stitch 1 DC, chain 2 and 2 DC at the 2 chain space, and then chain 2, last stitch make a 2 DC, and at the corner do 2 DC, 4 chain, and 2 DC. Okay. That's how you will complete this round, and then we will do chain 2 and slip stitch at the first stitch, chain 2, that doesn't count as a stitch, and double crochet, chain 2, and at the second DC make a double crochet, not the first DC, and then chain 2, at the second DC make a double crochet, and chain 2, and at the first DC make 2 double crochet, let's increase here, and the second DC make 2 double crochet, and then chain 2, now we will be at the corner and we will do 2 double crochet, chain 4, 2 double crochet. I know it's a little bit confusing, I will show you again. So chain 2, and then at this skip 2 DC, and the third DC you will do 2 DC, and the fourth DC you will do again 2 DC, and then chain 2, and then at the second DC you will do 1 DC, chain 2, and at the second DC you will do 1 DC, chain 2, at the second DC you will do 1 DC, chain 2, and now skip 2 DC, oh sorry, no, skip 2 DC, the first DC you will do 2 DC, I'm sorry, and then at the second DC you will do 2 DC, and then chain 2 and make the corner. Two DC, chain 4, 2 DC. Let me show you again and you will be clear. It will be look like this now, and after doing 2 chain you will make a slip knot, and this is our last round and we will cut the yarn. If you want to make it bigger, make 2 solid rows after that, or you can make 2 other rows. Use your creativity, you can add some charms, it looks good on your hair. Yeah, it's a bit complicated because it's a fillet pattern. So this is how it looks like. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and comment below. At the description box I will give my Instagram page link and Facebook page link. Hope you will join with us. Thank you.